So this is two questions in one. How can someone raise money without loan to do a business? Number two, is it advisable to get a loan to start a business? This is part of the questions we got at the Money Matters Summit 2024, where I hosted Dr. Olumide Emmanuel. We both spoke on how to make money, manage money, and multiply money. It was an amazing 6-hour session. We did a deep dive into several systems and methodology, patterns that you can repeat over and over again, and I can't wait for you to have access to that recording. So if you need that recording, call the number on the screen or click on the link in the description below to get your copy right now. Watch it again and begin to implement. So to the question, number one, I am of the school of thought that taking loan to start a business is wrong. However, are there people that have taken loan to start a business and it worked for them? Yes. So I will tell you that don't take a loan to start a business. So what do? You start with what you have. So how do you start with what you have? Everyone has a have. That's one of the strengths that God has given to human. And your have could be classified in various ways. It could be your relationship, your experiences, your exposure. So much of this is what makes up your have. It is not just money. Sometimes it could be your network. So you want to look around inwardly and ask, who are the people that I have around me that I can get money from, that can give me money to start up? So let's say what you need is 5 million. Why can't you start with 500,000? Or why can't you start with 50,000? Can you get 5 people that you have been good to that can give you 10,000 naira each and start from there? Especially when you're starting with a business that has to do with product. And somebody say, Mr. Mayowa, but my business line is service oriented. Then good. Look for people that you can render the service for free and promise them, let there be an agreement that if you deliver for them, they will refer you because you need capital. And that will be the bait. And another option, because somebody is also saying, Mr. Mayowa, I'm not into product, I am not into service. I just have my own. No matter what you're doing, there's always a way to it. I've also seen people call 5 people together to start a business where the person will be the person managing the product, the company for a period of time, and you can return back the capital. So there are several ways. So if you don't have money, you should have people. If you don't have people, you should have mouth. You have something. Just look inward. Money is just part of it. Money is not the main thing. So if you cannot, I'll totally recommend, don't borrow money to start a business. Now, if you have to borrow money to start a business, that is also doable. However, it must be a business that you can predict. You see, business is a solution that is in a system that follows a pattern and that can be predictable. Mr. Mayowa, what did you say? Say it again. Business is a solution that has been packaged in a system that can be predictable and that can follow a pattern and can be predictable. So if your business is not yet in the zone of being able to predict what you can make, then you cannot take loan. So I've seen people walked into my office, have great pitches, but it is still an idea. So you first need to turn it into a solution. When it becomes a solution, then find a way to turn it into a system. Now when it becomes a system, then you can now reach out to people to take a loan. But the question is it predictable? Because you can take a loan and you're expected to be returning it monthly. But if the business is not yet giving you a predictable return, you cannot gauge what you're going to be able to pay back. And I have seen a lot of businesses fail, and the people that have the money collected the product or the machines. For example, if you're a Uber driver, you know about the business, but you have not started it, you don't know how much you're going to be making, and you're telling somebody to buy you a car. You've not experienced it, you don't know how complex it is or how easy it is, and you don't even know how much you can be making for you to be able to pay back the loan. So these are the things you need to consider if you really want to take loan. You must be deliberate and ask yourself, is it already a solution? Is it already a system? Is it already scalable? And is the money I'm making, is it predictable? If you are yet to get to the zone where your return is predictable, I don't recommend you take a loan at all. Start with what you have and you can scale up from there. So do what I have said. Okay, with this I hope I've been able to advise you. Don't get a loan to start a business, and if it is a business that you have started, move it into a predictable level before you can take a loan.
Are you feeling stuck and overwhelmed by financial challenges and unsure of how to scale your business to a new heights? The Money and Business Growth Package is a comprehensive solution designed to turn your aspiration into a reality. Get access to our exclusive courses on money and business, which include Money Mindset, Skills to Make Money in This Century, Money Capsule Series, Habits to Build Wealth, Know, Like, and Trust Model Concept of Sales, and lots more. Call 0904 999 0004 or 0904 999 0005 to get started.
And the last one, which is the first one you started with, how can someone raise money without loan? So to raise money without loan, you can sell part of the business. You can sell stake part of the business. Let's say the business is into printing, for example, and you have started already. You could offer 5%, 10% stake of your business for you to get in new cash. Another option is that you can also bring in investors that you can pay back in a period of time. So there are several ways to this. Another option is that you could talk around your friends and make an agreement for them. So there are several ways, but note that the money you're looking for is in people, and the people are also looking for you. You just have to have the solution, the value to get it from there. Okay, hope I've been able to help you and answer the question. I look forward to your success. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel because there's so much that will be coming in subsequent episode. And don't forget to click in the link below to get your Money Matters Summit replay event so that you can re-experience what you have learned for that day. I look forward to your success. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.